Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to create this slide. It's amazing and beautiful. I create this slide the past in the channel, I think a year later in the past. But now we are going to create it by doing the tutorials and tell you everything about how to create this. Okay, at first we need to have these pictures for creating this shape. I have these pictures here. We just simply copy them and insert the pictures here. Wait a little for them to insert. We have our three pictures. We want to create this slide. Let's see how it looks when it opens. Not very beautiful, but we can make it better. I think we can make it better. I do some modification and make it amazing. Okay, let's go and try to create this. At first, we need to insert a new slide. Let's see how we create this text. Let me copy that, put it here, paste it easily. How to create this slide? Let me just make it bigger. Okay, how we create this? We absolutely go here, shape format, increase the size of everything, like you can see here. But the most important thing to creating something like this is that after increasing the size, you make it in the middle. You just select the first alphabet of everything by pressing Ctrl and then make them bigger, and it creates a contrast. Sometimes it looks good, sometimes bad. And from the background is the gradient color. It's nothing special about this. It's a gradient color. You can create it easily in the way you want. Okay, we create our text. Now let's see how we create these shapes of pictures. Let's create a new slide as a workspace. Insert our shape, this shape. And after inserting this shape, we need to see how the size of these pictures are. They are the full size. Let me turn on the ruler. Okay, this kind. Now let's go and create them. This is our shape. We make it a little smaller. Now we insert a circle, put it in the middle. Now the thing we need to do is that it's make it to here, and in the middle is this. It's a little tricky one. Let me make it bigger. It's not in the middle. Okay, now it's in the middle, but it's a little bigger than we need. The text is okay. Now we press Ctrl A, shape format and union. Our shape is ready, but the most important thing is now we don't need any shape outline. This shape is the shape we created, but the important thing is that this shape is gonna rotate because our video is rotated. Let's make it, it must come to here. Okay, that's good. Let's make this here. Make another copy and another copy. How to give them a picture? It's easily. We just copy that picture, came here, and picture or texture, clipboard. But we have a problem. What is the problem? The picture is rotated. How we can fix it? We just unlock this, click, and go to next shape, picture texture, and a next one, picture texture, clipboard, rotate. We didn't make the middle picture right. Let's create it another time. Clipboard, that's right. The pictures have been created. Now the different thing, we are not going to create something like the past creation. We are going to improve it and make a better one by this. Okay, let's see our slide, a preview of it. As you can see, it's not aligned. Now it's aligned, I think. I do a little magic here. I go to picture correction and reduce its brightness a little here. Okay, it's good. It's nice to see something like this. And I copy this slide, make this like here. Let me delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this. Okay, I put it in the middle. Let me put some space, and after that it goes like this. We are trying to create something amazing. Let's look. We create this and we make it right. Okay, but I want it to go slowly down of the pictures, and it's go here. We little scratch it, copy it, make it to be here, make it here, a little scratch it, and another one, make it here, and a little scratching. Now let's see what we make. I think it's not bad, but not perfect. But let's see what we created. This is the first, the second, and the third one. It's amazing animation, as you can see, and the pictures are great. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are in our way to 1,000 subscribers. Your supports mean a lot to me.